Holikme 8-pack bottle brush tube cleaning set. Long handle bottle cleaner for washing narrow neck beer bottles, wine decanter, narrow cup pipes, sinks, cup cover, white. The Holikme 8-pack bottle brush tube cleaning set is a versatile cleaning kit designed for various narrow-necked containers. Here are the key points. Benefits: multiple brushes. The set includes 8 brushes for different purposes. 15-inch extra long brush, reaches the bottom of long, narrow-necked bottles. 10-inch sponge brush, ideal for standard and wide-neck decanters, glass mugs and sports bottles. 14-inch sports water bottle brush, removes stubborn stains from water bottles. 4.3-inch spout cleaning brush, cleans spouts effectively. 4 straw brushes, comes in various lengths, 7.9, 9.8, 11.8, and 12.5 inches, for thorough straw cleaning. Durable materials, made of food-grade polypropylene and soft materials. Easy storage, hang them on hooks for drying and storage. Drawbacks: not suitable for all materials, avoid using on pearls, semi-precious stones, and non-waterproof artificial jewelry. Not industrial grade, designed for home use, not heavy-duty industrial applications. Overall, the Holikme 8-pack bottle brush tube cleaning set offers convenience and versatility for keeping your containers clean. At a price of $19.98, it's a practical addition to your kitchen tools.